All right, good morning guys. We are outside of the shop today and we are doing a little scuff and shoot on a couple of parts that I forgot to spray the other day on this Hermes 8 standard that I'm in the process of doing right now. So I mixed up some Hermes-like paint, color matched the best I could. It's a little lighter going on, and then it dries lighter, but I think it looks like a brand new Hermes. So we'll get some paint into the brush, and then we'll shoot a little bit. So I'm gonna pour the paint into the brush. Make sure pressure's a little high on that. That'll work. And then we'll shoot. Can you guys see? Am I in frame? I'm doing nice light coats at first, just so the paint has something to adhere to, so it doesn't have to get full coverage right off the bat. Just enough to get an idea. And with the airbrush, the paint dries really quickly, so you don't really have to wait too long before your second coat. It doesn't take much paint. Got this little thimble sized, can you see in there? Yeah, it's a little thimble size. Can we do a POV? Maybe get this on the inside here. Make sure this is getting coverage. Yeah, it's covered too. Cool. So there we go. We got brand new Hermes paint. Make sure that don't spill out. Yeah, get a close up. So yeah, there's the Hermes touch up on some scuff and shoots that I forgot to do yesterday, and here's my little jar of Hermes paint that I mixed up for the brush. And that's it, guys. We'll get you the full view of this thing when it's all tied up. Talk to you later.